How do you assess which aspects of fund administration are best suited for outsourcing, and how do you ensure a seamless integration with internal operations?
I would say for us from an industry and from a practice perspective, there are not many limitations compared to how an assurance and tax requirements would come in. So the opportunity lies for us to be able to do pretty much end to end. And the nature of fund administration is very, very vast. You could have compared to an assurance or tax or advisory, and an advisory probably has some shades of it too. You have opportunity to interact with the client pretty much on a day-to-day basis, delivering services to the client pretty much on a day-to-day basis. It's not like you wait for the year end and things happen. I think so from that aspect of it, right from whether doing the investor services side of it or doing the core fund administration, the reporting, the client interaction, the resolution, we do pretty much end to end. I'd be very proud to say, because we built the practice and we have the expertise here. The entire team for fund administration, pretty much, I would say 90% or 95% of the team and the work for Eisner Amper of fund administration gets done out of India. Our core, because we have the expertise, we have the system capabilities, and we manage the client relationship from day one. Of course, during the we don't work the USR, so during the USRs we have client relationship managers on the US side who understand the business and who know the client. They manage it, but pretty much the engine and everything sits out of India. And I think from a process perspective or from the length and breadth aspect of it, you can manage right from client review or client onboarding, and then of course we talked about winning a client, and we all do that, and review of the legal documents, doing the fund administration, doing their AML and KYC work, doing their investor reporting, handle their investor queries, working with in many cases our own firms, tax preparation, the preparation of financial statements at year end, and as well as getting working with the audit folks who are depending on who the fund administration would be, making sure that we are able to partner with them and be basically an external arm for our client. And we do pretty much end to end work that you can say, and I think it lends itself very well to be able to do a lot more compared to maybe in assurance and tax, where you have certain other sign offs and certain other restrictions that comes in.